Hi guys, Rich Basine here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to talk about YouTube Shorts. Yes, today is February 1st, 2023, and I just want to share some websites with you guys. I'm going to drop the links below so you can check them out at your own leisure. This way, give you a little more insight as to how the YouTube Shorts work, the requirements and the guidelines and all that other happy stuff. So I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible. I am doing this video basically for informational purposes for those who are in the YPP program, and for those of you who are not, don't worry, I've been there before. You will get your channel monetized, and hopefully you'll be able to expand on this as well. So hang in there. And I just want to tell all the new YouTubers out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, stick with it, folks. You will eventually get there. You will get your channel monetized. It does take a long time, as they always like to say. Starting a YouTube channel is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So you'll be able to do it, guys. Believe me, if I could do it, you guys could do it, okay? I'm gonna share a couple, like I said, some sites with you guys. I'm gonna drop a couple drop the links in there. And when you get a chance, read those at your leisure, okay? There's one site there that you'd have to subscribe to it. I'm not gonna get into it, so we're not gonna keep that, though. I'm on my grandfather clock back there. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. But let me just read a little this one here in this front page here. It says revenue sharing on YouTube Shorts will begin February 1st, 2023. Learn more about the new changes in YouTube Partner Program terms. And again, saying starting February 1st, 2023, monetizing partners will be able to earn money from the ads that are viewed between videos in the Shorts feed. So I thought I'd do this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let me just go into the screen here. Now, this one here, I'm going to give you a URL. I'm going to drop the link below so you don't have to worry about me going through the whole URL process there. It is from Forbes, okay? And as you can see here, this story came out, I believe, I always like to give you guys the dates. This one, well, actually, it looks like a video, not a video, audio clip, but that came out September 20th, 2022. But I'm not sure when this came out. It had to be recently. Anyway, as you can see, it says YouTube confronts TikTok challenges with its best weapon, cash for creators, which is good. Now, I'm just going to scroll down here. I'm not going to expand too much on this here. Like I said, again, I'm going to give you the links and you can read it at your leisure. As you can see here, it doesn't look like there's much more to read here, is it? Maybe there's quite a bit. I don't know. But you guys, like I said, again, you can check this out. Looks like they got a video clip here. I'm not going to play it. I don't want any community guideline strikes on my YouTube channel, so I don't play videos, unless it's something that, that I feel I'm not going to get a strike with it, then I'll put it on. But as you can see here, they have quite a bit of reading here, and I'm not going to go through all of this here, okay? But you guys can check it out, all right? Now, that's just one side I want to share with you. The other side I want to talk to you about is this one right here. And for those who don't know, okay, if you're not familiar with this woman, her name is Susan Wojcicki. She is the CEO of YouTube, as far as I know. And this story came out January 30th, 2023, okay? And you're only gonna read this if you subscribe. I'm just putting out the headline. It's basically a headliner for you guys. It says TikTok's latest trouble, just like we've seen before. YouTube is opening its cash coffers to lure short-form video creators, which is good. Again, if you wanted to read this here, you got to go over here, you got to subscribe. And then, I don't get nothing for this here, folks. I'm just putting it out there for you guys. But if you want to read more of the story, this is on Fortune magazine, I guess from Fortune magazine, whatever. I will drop the link below for that there. So remember one thing, folks, with this one here, you're going to have to either subscribe to whatever, or just, I basically wanted to put it out there just to let you know what's going on here. It's like a title, a tagline, just to show you what's going on. All right, and this is some more information I got over here. This one here is YouTube Shorts monetization policies. You could read more into that as well. We already read that part there. I'm not going to get more into it there. This is a little video clip. You could, check that out. The last one I want to share with you guys, I hope you'll take the time. If you don't go through any of the other ones, check this one out right here. Again, I'm going to drop the links to all of these below in the comment section, so you'll be able to, again, check it out. This one here came out today, okay? This is from the YouTube creators, and you can subscribe to the channel. It came out 4 hours ago, according to this here. When you guys see it, it'll probably be later on. But this one here, if you could spare 4 minutes and 18 seconds of your time, check this out, play it. If you don't want to read the other stuff there, at least check this one out for yourself, okay? Really good information. And for those of you, again, like I said, if you're not in the YPP program, stick with it. it's going to happen. I thought the same thing, folks. You know, I mean, I was where you were once before when I first started out back in 2013. And what is it now? What, 10 years, 9 to 10 years now? I've been on YouTube, and I got my channel, monetized years later. Back in the matter of fact, it was 2021. I got my YouTube channel monetized. That first 1,000 subscriber. And whoever you are out there, if you are still subscribed, or if you're a follower, or just somebody just checks my YouTube channel out, whatever, most likely you're a subscriber. I just want to say thank you so much. You made my day, whoever you are. I really do appreciate it. But that's basically it. I said I'm going to keep this video short as possible. The main purpose of this here is just to throw it out there, folks. If you weren't familiar with the YouTube Partner Program, well, I should say that too, and the YouTube Shorts, check out this video. It explains it a little better. Like I said, I would play it, but like I said, I don't want to get any community guideline strikes. And that there, you can subscribe to it. That's the YouTube creators. You know, if you look right over here, so my mouse is moving here, you can see it says subscribed. And if you want to get all the information, you click this on here, and right over here, it'll say you'll get all the notifications. My mouse cursor, you see it right there. It tucked away. All right. So yeah, but I would play this, but like I said, I don't want to get any strikes with it. But check this out at least. If you don't want to check the other ones out, at least check this out. You'll get a better idea. And again, folks, if you are, right, I would like to say when I always close my videos out, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, best success, and this goes for the new YouTubers out there, the newbies. Getting tongue-tied just talking about it. As I always say in my videos, in the closing part of it anyway, when it comes to creating videos and starting a YouTube channel, remember, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically, okay? And the other two things I like to always throw in the mix, which are very important, by the way, good thumbnails and good titles, okay? Don't forget those as well, okay? So I wish you all the best. I will talk to you guys soon. Keep making those videos. You guys could do it, okay? And I hope to see your videos there. Well, if you want to drop a link below and share it with us, you could drop it on mine. I'd love to see them. But I wish you all the best. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great day, and bye-bye for now.